Should you go with dark carpets for your house? Dear friends, your carpet color lays the groundwork for your entire room's appearance and feel. Whether it's the living room or nursery, there's not one color that's a clear winner. It depends on your space and priorities for that room. If you're torn between choosing a dark or light color carpet, we'll help you weigh your options with confidence. Dark carpet can help hide stains and add coziness to a room, but be mindful of how it can show dust, lint, and light-colored pet hair. Pros of dark color carpets. Hides dirt and stains. The best carpet colors to hide stains are deep browns and grays because they camouflage spills of wine, pasta sauce, and other dark liquids. Dark colors also hide dirt and mud well, to a point. Offers a cozy vibe. Dark carpet tends to make a room feel warmer and cozier. If you live in a cooler climate, dark carpet fosters an extra comfy vibe in a living room or bedroom. Hides carpet seams. Even with the expertise of a local carpet installer, a seam or two may be visible, but darker colors tend to mask these seams better. Makes a statement. Many consider bold, darker carpets to be more eye-catching than light, neutral colors. Great for foot traffic coming from the outside. Deep tones are a top choice for entryways because dark carpet conceals dirt and mud. Less prone to fading. Darker colors absorb more light and contain more carpet dye, making them less likely to fade over time. Cons of dark color carpets. Can make the room feel smaller. Darker colors tend to make the room feel smaller, while lighter carpets help the room feel more expansive. Shows dust, lint, and light-colored pet hair more easily. Light-colored debris, including pet hair and lint, are more noticeable with dark carpet. You'll need to vacuum regularly to keep your carpet looking clean. Makes it more difficult to remove a stain. While stains are less visible in dark carpet, oxidizing and stain removal products may lighten the carpet's color and give your carpet obvious patches. Can show wear and tear more. Heavy indoor traffic areas, such as stairs or favorite spots in a living room, become obviously worn against other parts of dark carpets. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.